The 511 Scene 1 glove is an ideal blend of strength and precision and combines enhanced thermoplastic rubber protection at the knuckles and joints. We've integrated our patented tactical touch design that promotes tactility when performing fine tasks. Engineered in partnership with Ironclad Performance Wear, Scene 1 TPR gloves feature padded Duraclad reinforcements at the palm and thumb saddle. There's also a stretch nylon finger saddle for maximum dexterity. The molded neoprene wrists and hook and loop closures offer a snug and secure fit. An open trigger finger ensures firearm responsiveness, and TPR moldings offer exceptional protection without inhibiting freedom of movement. These gloves were designed for hard impact protection while still remaining finger sensitive. We constructed the palm, fingers, and forearms with a ruggedized synthetic leather, and we've also added extended pull tabs with an ID label. This is the 511 Scene 1 gloves.